Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show. This podcast is short, fun, and jam-packed with good ideas that you can start using right away.
Welcome to another episode. I'm your co-host, Ellen, along with my co-host,
Lil Lee. That's my rapper name, Lil
Lee.
Well, the topic today is talking about little things we can do to build momentum for 2024. Small, simple, easy things. Maybe that's a better one. Easily. No.
Easily.
Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't. It's not as good as Lil. So
no.
we're talking little things we can do.
Little things. Yes, because once you find little things and I don't know, saying it's for 2024, that makes it a big thing. What if it's just for this week or this month? You find a little thing in your days that you can do to build momentum. Maybe if you're one of those people that, okay, get up and you make your bed right away. There you go. You've got momentum because you've accomplished something, and then just carry it through the next thing and the next thing.
Well, I was thinking these are all under 50 cents.
Oh.
So that was how I was thinking Lil, but I hear you. All right, so here, let me give you a couple examples. Right?
Yeah, let me hear yours.
So I misplaced my phone. Is that right? I out and out lost it. All right, let's just be honest. I lost my phone. But when I got it back, I wanted to check my contacts. I'm like, I haven't talked to this person in a while. So that takes, I don't know, when it's texting, because you're not on a call with them forever. Just text a couple people that you haven't talked to in a while and just say, hey, how you doing? And there you go. Now you're off and setting a new precedent. This is the year I'm going to be more connected to my friends and people I care about, or customers, or whoever it is. But it all starts with that first step of, I'm just going to reach out to someone I haven't talked to in a long time.
I like it. Yeah, because once you've done it to one person, you're like, wow, that was easy. I should talk to this person or this one. Yeah. Okay. I got that.
I got another one.
Let's hear it.
I'm going to every day do one mitzvah, it just means one nice thing for somebody else, and or the environment, or my kids. So I'll pick up trash. I'll help someone across the street. Not because they're old, just because you look like a nice person. Let me across the street. Yeah, how you doing? Hey, I'm walking here. But
quit bothering me.
But all right, I digress. But you know what I mean? Like a little thing that you can do. Someone paid for my coffee at Starbucks in the drive-thru. I get up and it's free, and then I just drove off. And Andrew's like, my wife, aren't you going to buy it for the person behind me? This is before the beginning of the year. I'm like, no. But now I'm like, well, yeah, maybe I will. As long as I don't order something super expensive.
Yeah. Yeah. We did that right before Christmas. My husband had hundreds and hundreds of points at a coffee shop because he buys coffee beans there. And so we went on the Friday before Christmas and we used those points to buy coffees for everyone in line.
Oh, you topped me.
Well, it wasn't a competition.
Yes, it is. Everything is a competition. Do you not know me at all?
Well, I think we just did all of our mitzvahs at once.
Well,
okay, we got.
But you don't get the satisfaction of every day knowing, hey, today
you don't.
And now I'm looking for those opportunities, and it's just a way of thinking that it becomes a habit if you do it often enough, and if you do it in small little increments. Just like, you know what, I'm going to be more organized this year is always a worthwhile goal, and it's overwhelming for a lot of us.
I was going to say, holy crap,
like, whoa, like my garage, it's mostly organized, but so I'm just picking this one area that I'm going to start on. And that could just be as small as your glove box, your purse, your backpack, maybe the desktop of your computer, your phone and the app, whatever it is. It's one thing and not everything. And you can say, my phone is organized. My wallet is organized. And I'm telling you this, not just that you end up with something great, but the process of it is kind of interesting. You learn about yourself, and it's kind of a little trip down memory lane.
Yeah.
I remember this receipt from 2014.
But starting small and letting the momentum build is really one of the best ways to do things. I mean, even if it's, like you said, organizing, or maybe this year you want to be getting in shape, and rather than saying, okay, I have to go for an hour walk every day, do 10 minutes. Do 10 minutes twice, just start super small, because then you build it into your head that, oh, I'm the kind of person that takes walks or lifts weights or swims or whatever it is, but build small, start small.
Yeah.
Build big.
Think big. Think big. Start small.
Yeah, there
Right?
we go.
Think global. Start local. I'm going to change the world, but I'm just going to end up changing my world, which is my little area around me. And that's all we're saying. And it's a good way to start the year.
It's an absolutely great way to start the year. Another great way is to listen to us each week with our new episodes and change your own world in your own way. We'll see you next week.